DIY remote control holder craft easy and useful organizer for home. Hello guys, welcome to my channel FFK2531. I will make a remote control holder craft, but please don't forget to like and subscribe. Before we begin, let's open the set. You will need glue, tape, color pencils, scissors, wooden craft sticks. 1. Fold the holder. Carefully pop out remote control holder 1 and 2. Fold along the lines. Form the holder. Glue or tape remote control holder together by matching the letters on the tabs. 3. Detach other parts. Carefully pop out the remote control stand, remote control base, and TV set. Fold along the lines. 4. Attach the TV set. Glue or tape the TV set on the remote control holder. 5. Form and attach the stand. First, form the remote control stand by pasting the matching letters on the tabs together using glue or tape. Next, attach it to the remote control base using glue or tape. 6. Attach the base. Attach the remote control base to the remote control holder using glue or tape. Be sure to match the letters on the tabs. appreciation and decorate them. Thanks for watching.